morning, everybody. What a gorgeous, gorgeous start to Friday. Here's a look. Send your pictures in and we'll pick the best and feature them on this morning. Give you a little shout out on air or give you that morning shout out to your city or town. Now, if you're in Paso Robles or Lompoc, it is chilly this morning in the 30s, where the rest of us are seeing 40s and 50s. Unless you're in Ventura, you're at 62 right now, and not a lot of clouds in the sky unless you get some of those high clouds we're seeing in Santa Barbara. Most of the clouds are staying down to the south, and that's pretty much how it's going to be this entire weekend. The weather was exciting yesterday with the winds, but today a little bit more calm. We're going to be warm again, though. But check this out. Tonight, 6:49. We are not going to see many clouds, so it should be a beautiful sunset to kick off your weekend. Same thing Saturday morning, nice and clear when you wake up and head out the door to take the dog for a walk, maybe go for that morning jog on the beach. But Sunday morning, we could see some low-level fog, especially along the coastal areas. So just a heads up on that. And we'll see the same thing Monday morning. And then our weather changes once we get into next week. I'll talk about that in a second. But first, here's your forecast for today. If you're planning on taking the afternoon off, it's going to be a good time to do it. 70s across the boards from Montecito to Santa Barbara. Heading up the coast, if you go inland, you'll see 80s from Buellton to Santa Ynez. We'll see 70s along the coast. And then heading up into SLO County, we'll see some 60s at the beaches, but further inland, we'll see 80 at San Luis Obispo, 79 in Paso Robles, and AG, you're going to see 75. Down in Ventura County, we'll see mostly mid to upper 70s, and then further inland you go into the valleys, we're going to see temperatures in the mid to low 80s. Not a bad summer-like day, especially if you have outdoor plans, and we need the rain, and Mother Nature's listening. Check out Wednesday and Thursday next week. Already this far out, 50% chance to see showers on Wednesday night into Thursday for Santa Barbara. That's going to be the storm we're going to be tracking all weekend long and into next week. Alan and Sean and I will be watching it very closely for you because we could see some significant amounts of rainfall if everything pans out as we get into next week. But as we look at the next couple of days, though, warm today. Still semi-warm tomorrow, San Luis Obispo. You'll drop into the 60s and low 70s starting off next week with more cloud cover than we've actually seen in a while, except when we get those the fog to move in. But for Ventura County, you're going to be at 80 today, drop 10 degrees tomorrow, and then pretty much stay in the mid to upper 60s as we get into next week with overnight lows in the 50s. And again, we are on storm watch for the end of next week.